In this lecture, we're going to show how to add a weld symbol. So let's go to Notation tab, and here we have a weld symbol. So let's click on this weld symbol, and now we have this dialog here. Now here we have to put some information. So here we have the element of the weld symbol, and we can choose here weld symbol. So we can go here with single V bot, or we can go with single J bot, but let's go with fillet, like this. If you don't know how to fill those informations here, you can open JPEG file, and here you can find the explanation. So you can see here we have a filt, weld symbol, weld all around symbol, groove weld size, length of weld, and so on. So you can check this location of element of a welding symbol. But that doesn't matter, you don't have to fill anything. You can just go with the mouse here and you can select some edge or face where you want to add this symbol. And now as you see, we have a one side only, fillet weld. We can go to other side as well, weld symbol. Let's choose the fillet weld on the other side. And now as you can see in our symbol, we have a fillets on two sides. We can put it here, for example, 6. Also here, 6. As well, we can check here peripheral, and now we have all around weld, like this. And now, for example, we can put this symbol on this edge here, like this. And here we have a contour, and you can choose flat, convex, and so on. You can also save this. You can go add or update a style. Let's call it A and OK. And now you can click OK, like this. And now you can go to Notation tab, weld symbol. You can choose here A, and now you have this symbol, like this. Let's click OK. So this is how you can add a weld symbol on your drawing sheet.